Introducing the YUNZII Keyboard Universe's latest gem, the AL98, a tri-mode mechanical keyboard. Crafted with a die-cast aluminum alloy casing, it features a sleek 101-key 96% layout. With unique keys like Delete and Page Up nestled between the main and numeric keys, it's designed for efficiency. Choose from stunning colors: black blade, glowing white, and neon pink. The gasket structure and 6-layer sound-absorbing design ensure a premium typing experience. Hot swappable switches and ARGB backlighting with south-facing LEDs? Yes, please. Pre-installed with Coconut Milk V2 or Snowtop Coffee V2 switches, it's a dream for typists. Connect via wired USB, 2.4 GHz wireless, or Bluetooth with a powerful 8,000 mAh battery. Starting at just 449 yuan, the AL98 is a steal for any keyboard enthusiast.